Okay, me too. All right. Here's what we got. Same thing. The whole premise is what? X. The answer.
Well, to
What's
find
the
out
answer?
what the
Get
character
X
means. For the first one, can I
by
see
itself.
X equals.
Is itself 2 words?
What? Itself.
I thought so. I thought so.
See, this is why English was not your strong suit.
No, it's definitely not. I never claimed once that it was my strong suit. Never, ever. There have been lots of spelling blunders over the course of these 4 weeks.
Lots. There was like 8.
Okay. Now, here's what I want to do. I want to get X by itself because that's what we just said. How? Let me ask you a question. What does this mean? What are we doing there? If this was a number, like 4, it's not 24. Please don't say it's 24. What would we be doing? Yes, Harry.
Wait, what? If it was 4?
Yeah, what would be? I'm just writing things down. I don't know. Nobody was giving me an answer.
I
So
wrote, well, if you're trying to
what does
do
this?
the number times something
Okay, that's
equals
yes. The number times this means in words, so everybody knows. It's 2 times X. That's what that means. Okay. What does the word times mean in math lingo?
multiplication.
Okay, so we better see like a different kind of
I
X.
wrote X equals times 9.
Okay, yeah. Hold on a sec. No, not times 9. That's the rule. I want what X is equal to.
X
Only.
X equals times 9.
Not times 9. I don't want to hear the times 9 part.
Okay, 9.
It's 9. Thank you.
X equals
Now.
9.
Jeremy, you watching? Okay. Everybody look. Carter, you watching? How do I arrive? If this is at multiply, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to divide by 2. Right? If I divide by 2 on one side, I have to divide by 2 on the other. So, what's 2? Here, I'm going to show you something. What's 2 divided by 2?
1.
So 1x is equal to, what's 18 divided by 2? So x is equal to, what is 18 divided by 2?
18 divided by 2 is 9.
That's all I want to see and or hear. X equals 9. Done. What happens if I plug it back in?
Wait, all x's equal 9?
No, just in this question.
Where did it come from?
I don't know. Okay? Here.
It was so loud I thought it was like in my basket.
Hey, how do I know if this is right?
Take 2 and times it by 9.
I'm plugging it back in here, right? Right? So what is 2 times 9? It had better equal 18. 18 equals 18. We're right.
Wow, that's crazy, bro.
All right. We want to do another one?
Wait, what do you, wait, can n equal like times something minus something?
We're going to get there.
It's a question.
It is a question. We will get there. We'll do some harder ones, but
You just said-
we need to. I don't know.
Like if it's 4 and can it be like times a certain number and then minus something if the multiplication goes over?
Sure.
Yes?
I don't know what you're asking. I'm just going
Okay.
to show you later.
Can it be like 5 times 6 minus 2? if it's
5
4?
times 6 minus 2?
Or something like that to equal like 28 if I'm trying to get to 28.
Where's your variable?
Can it though?
There has to be a variable somewhere, otherwise it's not a correct statement.
Mr.
What do you
Would it
mean?
be 9x? Yeah.
Nope, not 9x. X is equal to 9 and that's it.
And then what about f? What's f?
F is just a variable. It's like fruits. It's just something.
So f equals x?
Yep. F equals X, X equals Y. Like, they're all the same thing. They're just a letter. You could, if you wanted to, we did a little bit of this before too, right? Where we said X could be the question mark. That's all we're finding. Hey, is everybody okay with this? Right? It's just something that we're trying to find. It doesn't matter what the letter is. We're just trying to find what the letter is. It's a question mark. Okay? Do you want to do another one? Let's do this one. Okay? Let's do P here. How do I get C by itself?
What question are we doing? G.
P.
P?
Right here. This one.
Well, you had the thingy up there. So
What do you mean? I've been looking at this one.
How was it?
Oh, I can tell. Yes?
Oh, wait, never mind.
Wouldn't you, take 10 and put it on the other side of the
You want to do this?
yeah, and then, put,
Let me ask you a question before you answer. Just one sec. Let me ask you a question. How is this attached to the variable? Is it addition or subtraction? Is it this? You tell me if it's this. Is that the same question? I don't see a plus sign. It's multiplication. So if it's multiplication here, what's the opposite of multiplying? Division. So what are we going to divide by? Divide by 10. All right. And so the 10, what's 10 divided by 10? 1C is equal to? What's 35 divided by 10? I chose this one for a reason. 3.5.
3.5. Oh, you're allowed to have those.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Now,
Because
this
I
is,
was thinking T could equal like -2 or something.
it could be anything.
Q?
It could be anything.
Can it be that?
It can be negative, it can be whatever.
Well, you just said it can't be adding something, like it doesn't have a plus.
Adding something and being negative is not, they're two different things.
Okay,
Because you're multiplying. You want me to make up a question?
no.
Too bad, I'm gonna do it anyway. All right, I need to use some space here. What if I did this?
Wait. Can number P be C equals times 4 minus 5?
No, stop being silly. No.
Is that against the law? That
Well,
was
it's
what I
harder
was
than it
trying
needs to be. It's harder than it needs to be.
What?
It's harder than it needs to be.
Well, is it allowed?
no.
I have to check. No, I have to check it. What did you say?
For number P, or
Yeah,
number P, for letter P on the question,
Well,
10C goes, like, if I wanted it to be C equals times 4, which would be 40, then just minus 5, it'd be back 5, it'd be at 35.
Yeah, but you still have to. It's telling you that it's 10 times 40 minus 5. So, so you're gonna get 10 times.
No, 10 times 4 equals 4 minus 5.
C is equal to 4 minus 5?
The times 4 by minus 5. So you're
I don't know.
changing-
You're making it too complicated.
What
Just
is
solve
that
it.
about?
Just solve it. Just do what I showed you.
That would be the solution.
No, just do it the way I showed you.
Well, you're not looking at
Alright, I'm going to show you a negative one. What's x equal in this question?
-12.
How is this attached? Multiply. right? What's the opposite of multiplying?
Divide.
Divide by 2, divide by 2. What's negative 10 divided by 2?
Negative 5.
Okay. Okay. Are we good? I'll come around and help. And then we'll tackle the last part.